go.
So I have taken a few natural dye classes over the years, and I'm fascinated by it, but most of them were done at conferences where you only have 2 or 2.5 days to accomplish anything. So I decided to take the 10-week natural dye class that Mawa offers, and this is the journal that comes with the kit, with all the dyes, all the fabrics and yarns you will dye over the course of the 10 weeks. And I waited until I had done all the dyeing before I put it in the notebook, which is the way they recommend in the instructions. So here are my yarns and my wool fabrics from the original few dye sessions. Here are the silks. The silk was white. The wool fabric was white. These are the linens, and the linens came in both white and natural. So these two dyes were the same, this over here too, but one was on white linen and one was on natural linen. These are cottons, and the other fabrics we had were hemp and cotton. And then we began to use those dyes with the dye baths as exhaust baths. And then we got some lovely lighter shades in the wools, the silks. And over here I'm actually into the iron shifts. So we took our original pieces and shifted them with a very weak iron solution, 2%. And these are the linens, beautiful, very tertiary colors. These are the cottons and hemp cottons. And then these were indigo. So here's original indigo on white wool, white yarn, gray yarn, and then dipped. All the original dyes were then dipped in indigo to change those shades. We got really beautiful colors. And these are all the exhaust dyes now dipped in indigo. And the cottons. This is one dip it with cotton and 2 each 3 minutes. And then these are some of the original colors. And this is cotton and hemp. I think we might be at the end. And so this is a start. I could do 10 dips and see how dark we go. This is only 1 and 2. So I do have a ways to go. But there's a number of blank pages to write ideas down. And I'll be doing that as I think of ideas. It was a wonderful class. I highly recommend it. The personal attention you get during the class is lovely. Every week there are videos as well as PDFs to print. It answers almost all your questions. They're a great group. Thanks for watching.